In the dashboard, click the Activity button. Swipe the Activities menu to Treatment. Click on the blue arrow button against the corresponding tank. Select the product to be added from the drop-down menu. Enter treatment name. Fill the quantity and select the corresponding unit. Add description if required. Click on the Done button to finish adding treatment. Once observation is added, icons will be displayed for the respective tank. Repeat the same for the remaining tank. Same treatment can be assigned to multiple tanks by clicking the plus button in the observations pop-up and selecting the tanks.